today? We got Lego Speed Champions, 1970 Ferrari 512M, 76906. Just under 300 pieces. Through rebates and clearance, this only ended up being $5. We don't really have much racetrack, but we have cars, so let's add this to the mix. Let's crack it open. 2 bags, a leaflet promising I may see packaging, a whole bunch of stickers, and the instruction book. I've written down to this little brick, but it's still making me put stickers on. Managed to fit this into a 32 by 28 centimeter square, or a 12.5 by 11 inches. And that's the 512M built. It's 9 studs wide, which means it's not going to fit on the standard road plate unless you take out the median strip and take up the whole road plate. That's a snug fit for the minifig driver inside. It's head right under the capsule. So you've got the Ferrari logo printed on the side of the brick here, on the headlight, the other side of the door. If you're not a fan of stickers, you should probably wait to the end so you can make the alignment a little bit easier on yourself. Look on the back here, the alignment's a little bit off. It's easy to make things go askew really quick. So we can check out the minifig in the livery with the big Ferrari logo, zips down the front, one face, and only one face, and some piping on the back. Some dials on the dashboard, slightly adjustable spoilers on the back. As you would expect, it's a pretty tight fit into the driver's seat. If you want to make it a little leaner, you can pop off the sides, and it still holds up. Probably not as roadworthy. Be careful of the headlights. They kind of pop off pretty easy. See you next time on Shoebox Zoo.